Hey guys, I'm Veer and welcome back to App Geekers channel. You're here because your iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max or 10R is frozen and want to fix it. To be honest, it could be pretty frustrating when your iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max or 10R freezes on the home screen, becomes unresponsive when running certain apps, or gets stuck on a black screen or Apple logo screen after the update. No matter what you try to do, the screen just remains frozen and doesn't respond to your touch, tap, or button press. But lucky for you, I'm here engaged in unfreezing your iPhone and then it will respond to touch as normal. Alright, here's my iPhone 10s that gets frozen on the home screen and is not responding to touch. As you can see, the phone is still on and running, so the first thing you should try to make your iPhone work again is to do a hard reset. This can be easily done by pressing the volume up button, the volume down button, and then holding the side button for 20 seconds or longer time. You will notice that the screen goes black. When your device displays the Apple logo, let go of the side button and let it restart. A hard reset can help refresh the software and wipe clean any system lags. See, my iPhone XS is responding now and I don't lose anything. However, a hard reset just works for fixing some small and general errors. To completely get out of the frozen screen issues on your iPhone and boost the device performance, your best bet is to use iOS System Recovery 2. It's pretty worth a try if your iPhone stuck on a black screen or stuck on Apple logo screen after iOS update and won't turn on or off. To get the software, go to appgeeker.com, find iOS System Recovery 2. Then, download and install the program on your PC or Mac. Open the software on your computer and in the starting window, click More Choose. Then go ahead to click iOS System Recovery. Next, hit the Start button. Now use a USB cable to attach your iPhone to the computer. When the phone gets detected, choose Standard Mode and hit Confirm button. Here you can see a list of iOS firmware. Just highlight the latest version and hit Next button to download the firmware. This may take around 15 minutes to finish, so wait patiently. Okay, now the download is complete. Click the Fix Now button and you're done. It still can't fix the frozen iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max or 10R. We have more things to try. If your iPhone gets slow and then keeps freezing every time you open one or more apps, you should delete the apps from your iPhone. Find the app, long press it, choose Remove App, then tap Delete App. If the phone still is frozen, go ahead to reset the settings. We do this one last because we'll remove all the Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth devices, home screen layouts, location settings, and other settings you have configured, or return all of them back to their factory settings. So be sure that you have kept a copy of the personal settings that are essential to you in iTunes or iCloud. We have offered you a detailed guide to do that in the description below. Okay, now let's go to the Settings app. Scroll down to tab General. Then scroll all the way down to tab Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and then wait the device to resume all the settings back to their factory defaults. If all these tips fail to get your iPhone to respond, it's time to go to Apple Store and let the Genius guide there to check if your frozen iPhone is the result of physical strike or water damage. We have put a link in the description below to help you find your closest Apple Store and make an appointment to do the repair. Alright guys, that's it for fixing when iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max or 10R screen is frozen. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends who has the same frozen iPhone issues, and subscribe our App Geekers channel. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video.